Learning styles. Different employees have different styles for learning. So, we need to understand different learning styles of different employees. Here, we will discuss 4 learning styles: activists, reflectors, theorists, and pragmatists. Activists like to get fully involved in the action. Activists are enthusiastic and open-minded. They have a tendency to act first and reflect on the consequences later. Reflectors tend to be shy and not necessarily involved in discussion or debate. Reflectors like to stand back and observe experiences from different angles. They collect data, reflect on it, and then come to a conclusion. Theorists continually focus on analysis and the development of theories based on multiple observations. They like to think in a logical, step-by-step way. Theorists have a great capacity to integrate many different facts and observations. They tend to be perfectionists. Pragmatists are focused on trying out new ideas, theories, and techniques to see how they will work in practice. Pragmatists continually search for new ideas. They may try out every opportunity. But none of these 4 learning styles is exclusive. It is possible that one person could be both a reflector and a theorist, or someone else could be a reflector in one occasion or theorists in other circumstances.